Okay everyone, this is Rich Nona, Realtor, Home Inspector, and Notary. Right now we are turning into Tapestry. This is a community in Kissimmee from Mattamy Homes. Okay, so I want to give you a little drive around in this community over here. As you can see, the community has a gate. Nice looking homes over here from what I'm seeing already. And the size of the homes got some styling to them. Which is common with the homes from Mattamy. Got a nice view over here of this this pond or lake. Okay, so let's take a look at the homes over here. And you can see that some of the homes in the front have stone on them, and that's always nice to see. I do appreciate stone when it is done right. Okay, so there is a whole bunch of land over here that you can see that they're kind of getting ready to use. So let's see. So this whole street looks like the homes are in construction. I'm gonna go straight because the right looks like it's a lot of construction as well. Some townhomes over here coming up on the right. Oh, I like this two-story home with the two columns and the stone. got some more townhomes over here on the right. Let me see. Now this was a street that's kind of got some construction going on there. They're in construction, so I'm just gonna take the left here. And if you are interested in this home or any other homes, please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You could always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of every page. Yeah, some big homes over here too. And that information always comes from the MLS. Oh, I like that guy's dog, the French Bulldog. I'm just taking a little right over here because over here is a clubhouse section. We got your clubhouse and pool back there. And there is a fitness center in there as well. Okay, so I'm going to continue straight. I could also go left here, but let's see. Maybe I'll turn the left up here. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to turn left here and then take it around. That's a nice looking home on the right. Look at that. Yeah, they definitely are one of my favorite home builders. You know, especially if I'm looking for a home that does not have a tile roof, then Mattamy is one to consider. You can just see the styling of each home. Very nice, different looking. And also do keep in mind I offer home buyers incentives, but you do have to contact me first before you head over to any home builder. And that's a loose dog over there. Let's continue. Oh, I like these two homes over here. Very nice. Somebody over here is cooking too, because I know it's not going to show up in the camera, but it smells fantastic. And I know that I'm going to eat something after this is over that's not going to taste nearly as good as that. Whatever is cooking. Yeah, that food does smell great. Dog's in the street now. Not good. Car might one day hit it. And that car with the flashing lights is a community watch vehicle. Some communities that have a gate tend to also have somebody driving around, you know, seeing exactly what's going on in the community. And I do hope that you found this video helpful. If you know someone else that will also enjoy it, please send it over to them. And don't forget to like, favorite, share, subscribe. And again, if I could help you out with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Thank you for watching.